in Bangkok. We've been exploring what we thought was the centre today. There's no skyscrapers, no lights, it's not crazy, it's actually fairly nice. So we're going out of our way to find the busy part, skyscrapers. Like the most beautiful park in the world, and just saw, I forgot the name of them, but it's like the biggest lizard in the world, just like something dragon, just in the wild, just minding its own business. But now we're gonna actually go find the city, and I think we found it. I mean, there's skyscrapers everywhere. You ready to paint the town red? Like your dress? Yeah. We are going to one of the most beautiful rooftop bars. If I get in, because I like a tramp. Look at Grace. Look how beautiful she looks. And look at me. I'm just a mixed vibe really. Hopefully they see it as cool instead of trampy. But we'll see.
We brush our teeth.
In case we forgot where we were, we've got this big sign to help us.
You okay?
We're at an elevator going to the 25th floor after both buying some garms. Her trousers are sick, I got some shirts. And I'm gonna go splurge about £15 a drink. Where we are right now is literally the craziest place. We're on the top of a 25-story skyscraper in the middle of Bangkok. And look at this view, man. This is just ludicrous. Wow. We've just had possibly the best night we've had in Asia so far. That was phenomenal. The food, the service, the drinks, the skyline. The night, oh, bliss. We're going to bed, and tomorrow we're going to explore the market, we're going to explore a few other places on the itinerary. So good night.
I went back with my bag, yeah, because
Second full day in Bangkok. Gracie's finally learning a trade of how to haggle. She got shouted at by an Asian man because she tried to haggle too much. This guy started at 200, she dropped down to 70 and he's like, "You must be crazy, fuck you." But we're now heading to a arts and culture museum, which could be nice. What are we doing?
we are going to a vintage market.
After food.
After food.
So you just literally came to the other side of Bangkok. It's taken us probably like an hour to get here.
No, it's almost like 30
Definitely an hour. And we found this place that Grace wanted to go to. And it's terrible. So I completely forgot to vlog yesterday's ending to the day. What did we do?
We went to Art
We went to Art Box, got some food and a cocktail and saw some live music. It's pretty sick. But today's our last day in Bangkok. We fly later on this evening, and then we get to PP Islands tomorrow and Phuket, and all the wonderful white sand beaches. But yeah, bye.